Welcome to One Chemistry. In this video, we are going to see term symbols. It is for metal ions as well as some p block elements. Basically, it's a quantum descriptor like fingerprint for electronic configuration. We will additionally look some solved problems and tricks. Stay tuned. Here I given quick references. This will help you to solve the problem. It will contain the formula and definition of the formula, basic variables and arrangement of electrons and trick to memorize. We will see one by one very detailedly. This information is for quick reference. Make use of it. It will help you to solve problems and help you to revise during the examination. First, let us see what is term symbol. It is a compact number. Basically, is for electronic state. It is like fingerprint for human. It has unique symbol. Basically used in atomic emission, fundamentally spectroscopy. So it is very important in terms of identification. Here the basic formula 2s plus 1, which is in superscript L subscript J. This is the basic nature and format for writing the term symbol. Here S is total spin quantum number, meaning you add all the electrons. L mean orbital quantum number. J mean total angular momentum quantum number. Basically a collection of quantum number. If you have L value 0 to 5 mean it is like normal orbitals S, P, D, F, G, H. J value can be calculated from L minus S or L plus S. L minus S mean less than half filled. L plus S mean more than half filled. If it is halfly filled mean J equals S. Then L value you have to count, that is sigma L, to create the capital L. You should memorize the formula and master the all variable parameters. Let us see how we can go step by step to identify the term symbol. First, you find the charge on the metal atom. It is very important. Then only you can identify the configuration. Once you identify the charges, write the compound with electronic configuration, the high or low spin based on the ligand. Then find the value of L. L means sigma small l, that is electronic configuration of the particular orbital. From that you calculate capital L. Then count the unpaired electron. Count it, which comes S. You have to sum it. Then 2s plus 1 you have to calculate it. Then find J value. It is combination of L and S. It can be plus S or minus S as we discussed already. So you will find the final formula. So you should master this step to identify the compounds. Here I given straightforward example D4 system. For that you have to find the term symbol. As we discussed, the configuration is D4. You write D orbital 4 individual electron. We should follow Hund's rule as well as Aufbau principle while doing the electronic configuration. Here 4 electron I written separately. Then calculate the L value. L values are plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1. If you look the total, it will be 2. 2 mean D in the total symbol. So we know the capital L. Then S. S mean total unpaired electron. Spin value of electron is half. So 4 mean 2. So 2s plus 1 if you calculate it, it will become 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 gives 5. Then J value. J value is L minus S because it is less than half filled. So 2 minus 2 equals 0. So we know L value, we know S value, we know J value. So 2s plus 1 means 5, L is D, J is 0. So the term symbol is 5D0. Then we are getting into the real problem. Problems are best way to learn, best way to understand, best way to master the particular concept. The first question is find the term symbol for the V3 plus. The choices are 3F, 3P, 1H2, 3H, 2G. So we will go by the basic. First we write electronic configuration. For vanadium it is 3d3 4s2, then V3 plus mean it is D2 system. So D2 system mean you have 2 unpaired electron. If you multiply by half, it has 2 unpaired electron. First we find the L value. L value you have to submit small l value. It is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 mean if you look at the table, it is F. Then calculate the S. 2 unpaired electron, 2 multiplied by half gives 1. So S is 1 here, L is F here. Then we go for the J value, but J value not in the question. So straight away we find the answer. 2S plus 1 L is 3F. So our answer is 3F here. So the concept you have to learn here is always look at the question, then apply the formula. Then the next example, find the term symbol for nickel 2 plus. Choices are 3F, 3P, 4F, 2G. Here nickel is given as the ion. Nickel is 3d8 4s2. You are having the charge 2 plus, meaning it is d8 system. You remove 2 electron to get the cation, so it is d8. In the d orbital, if you fill the electron, you have 3 paired and 2 unpaired electron. Here L value means sigma L value. Careful with that because you have 2 spin in the same orbital. So plus 2 mean you multiply 2 times, plus 1 mean 2 times, 0 also 2 times, minus 1 minus 2 1 time. It is very important. So careful with that. So if you sum it, you have 3. L is 3 mean it is F. Then spin, there is 2 unpaired electron. So half multiplied by 2 gives 1. So you know F. So you know L, you know S. J is not in the question, so the answer will be 2s plus 1 L mean 3f value. The concept you have to learn here is if there is 2 electron in the orbital, multiply 2 times the L value. Then the next example, it is very interesting one. Find the term symbol for 4p1, 3d1, two different orbital. The choices are 3f, 3s, 1f, 2g. Don't get confused. We will go by the basic what we known already. First we write the electron. 4p one electron is there. 3d one electron is there. Let us fill the orbital. So 2 electron in 2 different orbital. D orbital it has L value of 2. P orbital it has plus 1. So if you sum it, you have 2 plus 1 gives 3. L is 3 mean F. Then S value, 2 unpaired electron in the system. S is 1, 2S plus 1 mean 3 there. Here J is not in the question. So 2S plus 1 3, L is F. So the term symbol is 3F here. The concept you have to learn here is if two different orbitals are given, always go by the basics, identify the term symbol. Then the question is in the reverse form. The pair of electronic configuration representing the ground term 3f2. The choices are p1 d1, s1 d1, s1 f1, d1 f1, d1 f1, p1 d1, p1 d1, s1 f1. Here we can eliminate because there are many possibilities. First we will go by the basics. 3 means there should be 2 unpaired electron. Then F mean L equals 3. Here all the choices have 2 unpaired electron. So answer really will be in the L value. So let us analyze the choices. F mean it has higher value plus 3 will come because 1 electron. D come 2 electron. D mean plus 2. P mean plus 1. You just see the lone pair electron in the right hand side. You can clearly see P1 D1 has 3 electron. So that could be our answer. So if we eliminate it, A or D will be our answer. So A, S1, D1 is there. S1, D1, L is 2. So it is not correct. So our choice is D. In D also we have S1, F1. S1 is 0 system, F is 3. So both are 3. So our answer is D. Both gives L equals 3. So the electronic configuration both have L value of 3 is P1, D1, S1, F1. The concept you have to learn here is always go by the elimination to reduce the time. Then the next question, find the term symbol for the Zn2 plus. The choices are 3F, 6S, 1H, 1S. Here zinc 2 plus system is given. It is completely filled orbital because zinc is 3d10 4s2. Zinc 2 plus mean d10 system. Completely filled orbital, if you calculate it, always L value will be 0. If you do it manually, you will get L value of 0. It is the important trick. If it is filled orbital, L value is always 0. Term symbol contain S. There is no lone pair electron, so S also 0. 2S plus 1 mean 2, 0 plus 1 mean 1. So the term symbol will be simply 1S. So the concept you have to learn here is completely filled orbital always has L value of 0. Symbol is S.